أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Sister Bintu of Fatima. This is continuation of where we left off the last time, which was Ayah 3 of Sūratul Fātihah. Today we're going to take Ayah 4, inshallah. Ayah 4 of Sūratul Fātihah. Start with to explain the Tajweed rules that are in the Ayah, and if there's any clarity of pronunciation, the mistake that people usually make, we can we'll address it inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدنا علما ربي زدنا علما ربي زدنا علما. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. اللهم فقهنا في الدين اللهم فقهنا في الدين اللهم فقهنا في الدين. Okay, ayah 4, we have pretty much there's not much rule in this ayah. If you look at it, by looking at it, we have maddas, but the madda alif here is regular madda, so we're not gonna. The madda ya is regular madda because they're not followed by hamza. If they're not followed by hamza, we just do regular, which is 2 counts. This alif here and this ya here. So, but again, we're stopping. So because we're stopping, we have the option to do 2, 4, or 6. So, and then this noon right here, we're gonna hold it for 1 second because we're gonna change noon kasra to noon sukun. Noon kasra will change to noon sukun. So for that reason, we're gonna hold it for 1 second. Lan Omar. So pretty much that's the inshallah. So let me read the ayah. Maliki Yawmi. So Yawmi, we have Yawmi, but we know that Yaw, right, with the sukun. Anytime we have sukun or shadda, we have to connect with the vowel before. So, Yaw. Instead of the vowel, we just take the sound of the letter. The first sound of the letter, Yaw. So we have me, and we have Deen. At Deen, so we're gonna connect. We have a Hamzul Wasl. Remember I told you last time that the Hamzul Wasl, we're gonna disregard it. We're gonna connect to the shadda. If we're not starting with the word that have the Hamzul Wasl, if you're not starting with it, we're gonna connect. So you gonna join. This is the join Hamza. Join Hamza. So we're gonna connect Yawmi, mid, and we know shadda, we have to read it twice. When a letter has a shadda, the letter we're gonna read it twice. First we're gonna read it with a sukun, and the second with the vowel that's on it or under. So we have a kasra, so we're gonna read Yawmid and D. Yawmid, and then Deen. We have Deen, but because we started, we have option 2 to do 2, 4, or 6 if we have a second class letter and we're stopping, or at the end of our ayah. And in the beginning we chose 4. We want to make a uniform. So because we started with 4, we're going to continue with 4 inshallah for the rest of the surah, or probably for the I might stick with that 4 inshallah. So Maliki Yawmiddin, and we hold the noon for 1 second. Lan Omar. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. So you're holding noon at the end, doing tawassut, because it's Lan Omar, one of the letters that when they have sukun, you hold them for 1 second. So let's move on to the next ayah, because the first ayah, this one don't have tajweed rules other than the noon sukun here. So and searching this for so ayah 5, we take ayah 5 inshallah. We have a shadda again, so we're gonna double the first. So make the emphasis. A lot of people say, some people, not a lot of people, some say iyaka. If you're saying iyaka, it's wrong. Not iyaka or wa iyaka. You have to make double the ya. You have to make emphasis on the ya, because both yas got shadda. Both of them have shadda, meaning you have to read the first sound with a sukun, and the second with a fatha, both of them. So not iyaka. If you say iyaka, it means change the meaning. So iyak, make it, stretch it. Iyaka, iyaka. Now we have a ain with a sukun this time. Bring out the ain sound from the middle part of the throat. That's where ain comes from. And also because it has a sukun, for ain and ghain, when they have a sukun, you let the sound echo. You don't stop the sound yourself. You let the sound, you drag, let the sound stop itself. You drag the sound. Instead of saying, for example, instead of saying na'budu, instead of saying na'budu, na, yeah, so na instead of na'budu. So iyyaka na'budu, let the sound stop itself. Na'budu wa so again, wa not wa iyyaka. If you say wa iyyaka, it's wrong. Wa iyyaka nas. You have a scene with a sukun. The scene is a whistling letter, whistling sound letter. So we're gonna make with your tip of your tongue, touching underneath your bottom teeth, or for some people it's gonna be in between the upper and lower teeth. It's gonna be inside, not out, for sin, za, and sword. Those three letters, sin, za, sword. So those three letters, they call it whistling letter, but the za is more like a buzzing sound. So it gives a buzzing sound for the za. So when they have a sukun or shadda, you hear the whistling sound more. You hear it more because so you let the sound stop itself again. Nas instead of nasta or bis nas, not let the sound stop itself. Nasta ain. We have a ain again, began the ain sound. Nasta ain. The reason why, you know why I'm saying ain, is because we have a, again, remember what I said, we have a madriya, right? That means, and we're stopping end of the ayah, so that means we're gonna set, we have the option to do 2, 4, 6, we choose 4, so we do 4, set nasta ain, being an ain sound from the middle part of the throat. Nasta'in. So nasta'in, we hold the nun sukun. With this nun dhamma change to nun sukun, so we're gonna hold it for 1 second. Focus of Lan Umar again, right? So basically from beginning of surah of Fātihah, we can see that all the endings so far, Lan Umar, mim is this mim change to mim sukun, Lan Umar, nun Fātihah change to sukun, nun sukun. So mim kasta change to nun, mim sukun. Nun, we just did this one, and so all these are going to change end with sukun. So that means the vowel change with change to sukun. That means that we're going to hold the, and they are Lan Umar letters mim and nun. So we're going to hold them for 1 second. We do tawassul. So far, so if you look at the end of the Sūratul, same thing, mim nun. So they're going to end up as Lan Umar letter, because the vowel changes, their vowel change to sukun. So let me repeat that again. The ayah. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. So again, dhamma when on the flat letters, there are 7 flat round letters. When dhamma are on the flat letters, so you're gonna make your flat. Start off flat. Don't just say boo, but boo, do, not do, like start like you're smiling. And anytime you have a, other than the 7 round letters, if you have them on the letters, or except for the raw when it's treated like a round letter. When the raw is treated like a round letter, you're gonna start off round. When the lam is treated like a round letter, you start off round when they have them. But flat letters, other than that, other flat letters, if lam, I mean if other flat letters, when they have a how to call it, when they have a all of our letters, when they have a dhamma, you start like you're smiling first, so that makes a difference. Because for example, if not, you could tend to make it round. If you can sound like a round letter if you just go straight round. That's why, and that would be wrong. So إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Okay, we stop here. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.